Some of the major benefits of walking is that it's going to actually improve how much you're recovering from your workout sessions, and on top of that, it's very low impact, so you can do it pretty much anywhere and not have a lot of issues with recovery like you would with high intensity training. One of the benefits of this is actually going, and every time you eat a meal, you're gonna be going out, taking a 10-minute walk, just kind of moving, getting your blood flowing, and on top of that, you're actually gonna be able to improve your digestion from the meal, so lots of extra benefits right there. Every dog in the area, when they see a duck, 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 ah, get it, murder! One of the other major benefits is that it's going to allow you to burn more calories daily without doing too much effort, honestly. So take that 10-minute walk after each one of your meals, you're set. One of the other major things you should be thinking about is that when you're actually doing your walks, you don't have to be going and pushing the mileage too much when you're starting out, but over time you want to be doing more mileage in the same amount of time, and this will allow you to burn more calories and work on your cardiovascular system as well. Puppers doing pupper things, puppers are here in the stream. Pupper. Hi, buddy. And probably one of the best benefits that a lot of people, when they go outside and they go for walks, is that it just makes you happier than if you're inside on a treadmill and you're running for a long period of time. It just kind of sucks. It's very, very boring. But if you get out in nature and you go for a walk and you just get your body moving, it releases a lot of endorphins in your body, and you're gonna feel happy, you're gonna feel more motivated in what you're doing. And honestly, getting some sunshine is a good idea every once in a while. Release the puffins! Release them! The puffins are coming! The puffins are coming! But that's it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what kind of cardio you guys like to do that's, low intensity, gets your blood flowing, gets you in better shape, but on top of that is something that you enjoy and something you can do consistently, because what it all comes down to is being consistent. If you aren't consistent with sprints and running, miles at a time, then you're not gonna be able to do it. You're not gonna be able to get in the shape you want to anyways, so it doesn't make much sense. So try some walking, just go outside and enjoy the fresh air, because it actually really does matter. But I'll talk to you guys all next time. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel and you'd like to see how to get stronger, get in shape, and build more muscle, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.